guys, just wanted to give y'all a heads up, a little update I guess. I'm not sure if you guys saw the short I posted up the other day. We got finally found us a 9.9 outboard for the dinghy. Big upgrade. It's nice being able to get up on plane with both of us on the boat. With the 6 horsepower I could get up on plane in smooth waters. It would move me about 12-13 knots. With the 9.9 we can both get up on plane and we can go about 14 knots, so that's not bad. I'm a big guy, I'm 260. We got anchors and all of our gear and stuff in there, so I'm pretty happy with that. We found us an older Johnson 9.9 2-stroke. It's a little bit heavier than the 6 horsepower, but not too much. It's a little awkward to move around by myself, but I can get it, no problem at all. I'm about to turn it around on the dock and start changing out all the lower gear oil and stuff like that. We have used it, like I said, it works good, but don't know when the lower gear oil was changed. They just put a new propeller in it, impeller, not propeller, a water pump impeller in it, and it flows really good water. I do already have a backup for that, so when it goes out we got one. And I also got a new prop for it. See if it helps. You never know. I mean, if nothing else, we need a backup anyway, so this prop's a little bit bigger. The boat it gets us up on plane, but it takes it a second, so I guess being a 2-stroke, it doesn't have as much torque or whatever, so it takes us a second. So hopefully this new prop will get us up on plane just a little bit quicker. But yeah, gonna get that stuff done today. I've got a nav light I'm gonna mount to the crawling on the outboard cover. It's a magnetic mount. I got a piece of galvanized steel I'm going to put inside the cowling so we can just put the light on top of it. I'm going to see if that works. If not, I'll screw that metal onto the very top part, so that way we can take the light on and off as we need to. It's a little rechargeable solar light, so, and then we can put it on in either outboard, so it's not permanently mounted, and we'll be good to go there. So that's what I'm getting done today, guys. We're on track to be getting out of here. Cassie's got her last day at work, so that's coming pretty soon. We're gonna get this stuff done. Gotta do oil changes and some other maintenance before we leave the dock, and then we're gonna be out. And then next videos after that, guys, we might drop down to maybe once a month or so, because we do not have Starlink. We cannot afford it, so we're gonna be struggling to find internet as we leave. So we might drop down to maybe once a month video uploads, just to help us out, and maybe the videos would be a little bit more. I don't know. Once we leave, I don't know what the videos are going to be like, y'all. It's probably just going to be us floating on the beach all the time at different beaches and talking about going in and out of inlets and anchor spots. So it'd be more of an formative, I guess, because we're not big adventurous people. We'll go on little walks here and there, but it's going to be more about getting in the inlets, where to anchor and stuff like that. So I don't know. We'll find out. But today, like I said, working on this outboard. It's been raining on and off all morning. So I'm going to be doing this in between the rain. So if I miss some video, guys, forgive me. These cameras are not waterproof. All right, let's. Alright guys, just gonna sit there and let that drain out for a minute. Make sure to get all this really old stuff out, then we get brand new stuff in there, and we should have no problem with this thing for a long time. This motor's in really, really good shape. So, I was using an empty beer can because I knew it fit under there. I don't have a lot of room. Yeah, maybe I'll drink another beer and just let this thing drip. Alright guys, got all the stuff on the outboard finished up today. Light mounted. Got a hole back here with the zip tie, just in case for some reason we're beating and it does fall off. We don't lose the light. I didn't let my paint dry enough. It already chipped off because of the magnet. So, but That's all right. I'll repaint it. Got that done. Got everything done on the bottom. New prop, new oil. Got a rag under it just to make sure there ain't no drips. We anti-fouled the bottom of it. This is all underwater whenever the motor's down. Since all that's underwater when the motor's down, whenever we leave, we'll be at dinghy docks and stuff like that. And out of courtesy, you leave your motor down. So I was like, you know what? We had a little bit of anti-foul left from when we did the boat, so I just put it on the bottom of the motor. If it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, don't matter. So got that done. We'll see how this new prop does. If the prop doesn't help on getting this up on plane quicker, maybe I'll look at putting a small foil or something on there, but I'm not sure about that. So all right, got that done for the day. Gonna pick up, and since I got everything out and messing with oil, before we left, I want to do an oil change on the boat anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change today too. So let's get that done. Keep our waters clean, y'all. Keep our waters clean. All right, guys, got everything opened up. I don't know if you can read that. It's upside down. It's been just at a year since I changed the oil. I know a year's a long time for an oil change, but we've maybe put 40 hours on the motor in the past year. So, and we keep an eye on it. The oil still looks good, but it is time for an oil change. So one of my favorite things about the boat is it has the built-in pump. So all I gotta do is pull this hose out. I keep a little plug in it right there. Then all I gotta do is pump out the oil. It's really easy. All right. Put my pin back in so I don't get a bunch of oil everywhere in the engine room. Wipe it off. And that'd be it. Next video coming up after this should be Cassie doing the boat tour. Should be it, and then we'll have some Blue Angels. Cassie's gonna be done working. We're gonna stay around, watch the Blue Angels show here in Pensacola. Amazing Blue Angels are awesome. We're gonna miss them like crazy once we leave Pensacola, but that's all right. But that'll be coming up next, and some Blue Angels, us leaving. Got everything I need to get done. Now it's time to just clean up my mess. Boat work, y'all. I mean, most of it's just cleaning up messes. So all right, guys, till next time.